So today is Sunday and it's our day off, and we're gonna go to a place called Kinkajan, which is maybe 1 hour drive from Hua Hin, and we're gonna go there together with Dam's family, and everybody's screaming at us to hurry up because they're waiting in the car, so let's go! Hey, my name is Matilda and this is my boyfriend Dam. We are living in Hua Hin, Thailand together with Dam's family, and on this channel we share our simple daily life here in Hua Hin and travels around Thailand. And also sometimes abroad. So hit the subscribe button and join our adventures in Thailand. So here they have been cooking some food. So we just arrived to Kinkajan, and this is a place we used to go on Sunday, sometimes with the family. And today we're not that many, we just came with 2 cars. So we're just gonna eat a bit before we're gonna go into the water. So all along this river here they have other places like this, so they have accommodation, they have a restaurant, and then they have like a pool and slider to play, so it's a lot of different options you can go to here, but we always used to go to this place. I have been here, I don't know, maybe 10 times or something, and yeah, just Dam's family used to come here to just chill on the Sundays when they have a day off. So you pay 100 baht to come here and play, and then you get like this to show that you've paid 100 baht and a life jacket. It's gonna be really nice to jump in the water because it's hot. Yeah. Why do you speak Swedish? We're gonna speak English. Don't say ja, say yes.
Yes.
So some more people from Dam's family just came. We chilling, Dam's cousin just making some dam, papaya salad, and I didn't really know what I was thinking when I'm gonna do a video going here. We're gonna play in the water. I have a GoPro, but the case is like, I don't know, it's gone, and the GoPro is a bit broken, so I cannot use it if I don't have the case. So I cannot film so much because when we are in the water I cannot take this camera. But yeah, we're just chilling here, having a really nice and chilled day. Shower and it's time to go home. I will continue this vlog tomorrow or later. So now it's a couple of days later and we are home, and before we continue this video we thought we were just gonna share with you, if you want to go to Kinkajan, we leave a link in the description to Google Maps, and from this viewpoint you can see the river, and all along this river is different accommodation, and that is the options you can choose to go to. And just a little tip is to take an extra shirt and shorts with you, because the most Thai people swim in shirts and shorts. And if you swim in bikini, maybe people gonna stare at you a bit. It's up to you, but yeah, just a little tip if you want to go there. So now we are on the way to do something we should have done before we went to Kinkajan, but we didn't know about this then. So we have been driving through this little Thai shop and we saw that they have some GoPro cases, so we're gonna go here and hopefully they have a case that fit our GoPro, which is a Hero Black 5. So we found both a new case and a handle. So the case was how much? 390 baht, and the handle, so the GoPro not gonna sink, 190. And then we also bought, what we bought more?
Ice cream.
Ice cream for Dam's cousin children.
ทำอะไรใครกินไอติมบ้างเร็วซื้อจ้าอย่างนะพิมมากินไอติมแล้วนะพิมไอติมแล้วไม่เล่นแล้วเนี่ยไอติมเล่นไปกินข้างนอกไปนี่พิม
ร้านเป็นดูร้านเป็นของใครอะ
ของพี่ดำ
ของพี่ดำเหรอ
ใช่อยู่แล้ว
You also gonna eat ice cream?
Yeah.
So I thought I'm gonna give you a little update on the room we're building outside, and it looks like this now. Outside they haven't done anything yet, but inside they're gonna put up a ceiling, so they have started to make this things. So it looks like this. And that's how far they come, and later when they have done the ceiling, I guess they're gonna do the electricity in here as well. ชื่ออะไรคะ
พาย
พายอ่ะ
พายพาย
ชื่ออะไรคะ
นี่ผีนี่ผี
อันนี้ใคร
นี่ผี
พิม
พาย
ติมอร่อยเปล่าบอกก่อนเลยติมอร่อยไหม
อร่อย
ไอ้ทำไมไอ้ของไหม We're gonna take the kids to the ocean. We're gonna end this vlog here. If you want to see more videos from Thailand, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll bring you to the beach another day.